Our callers are calling in. Saleen from Dehradun is with us on the phone line. Yes, sir, go ahead. What's your point of view?
Ma'am, my point of view is that what I'm feeling is one Nirbhaya case, wasn't that enough? Why do we need to keep framing rules and rules and rules every single time? Because I think that Nirbhaya case, the effect of it has not gone down to the grassroots. It looks like a joke because it seems that every time there is this kind of torture against women, the protests have to happen on the road. I think it has not gone down to the grassroots at all.
Right. Has nothing changed in the last 4 years? Is India still as unsafe as it was in 2016 when the brutal gang rape of Nirbhaya came to the fore? That's the question India is asking today. Sudha is also calling in from Hyderabad. Yes, Sudha.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. So I've seen the case on the television, and it was very, very brutal case. As the earlier speaker was saying, I don't understand why people don't take it seriously. Even after the Nirbhaya outrage, still when we are seeing this, it is very, very bad. In fact, last year when there was an incident of such sort in Hyderabad, the police just encountered the, victims. I believe that would be the better thing to do, unlike, taking a lot of time to give justice to the victims.
Absolutely. Speedy justice is the need of the hour. Fast tracking of cases like this is of utmost importance. That's the view coming in from across India. Munish from Mysuru is also with us on the phone line. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I think such case should be severely protested in such a scenario because the government, the BJP government came to power taking Nirbhaya case. So why people are not happy when people are protesting against the Dalit lady when she is raped brutally, and that too in the capital city of Delhi? I think it is really a shameful act. How the government is behaving. It has been already 14 days.
Right.
And still nobody is speaking from the government. This is a horrible situation.
Absolutely, sir. We are awaiting a response from the Uttar Pradesh government as to why nothing was done for 14 days. Why was there an initial delay as far as even filing an FIR or even invoking the correct sections of the IPC were concerned? Viewers are calling in, they're expressing their anger because the anger is evident across the country. We had one Nirbhaya in 2016, now we have another case coming in of a 19-year-old brutally gang raped in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. It seems like nothing has changed in the last 4 years for this country's daughters. Kangana continues to be with us. She is reporting from outside the Safdarjung hospital. Kangana, we did see the Bhim army workers protesting their ruckus, absolute ruckus outside the hospital. That protest continues. We're given to understand now even the Aam Aadmi Party workers have joined in.
Well, Poonam, of course, a lot of political parties have joined in with the protests inside Safdarjung Hospital, right outside the forensic department of Safdarjung Hospital. They are protesting against the kind of treatment that the Hathras victim has received. And now that she succumbed to her injuries in the morning at 6 a.m., they want a CBI inquiry. They also want that that at least 1 crore of compensation is given to the victim and her family members. I will just show you the visuals of how Chandrasekhar Azad is now sitting on a protest, on a dharna here. They have sat on a dharna inside Safdarjung Hospital. These are the visuals of Chandrasekhar Azad and his supporters, Bhim Army Chief members and volunteers who were present inside Safdarjung Hospital when there was a huge uproar and a protest that was happening when the body was being taken out. And now that he has sat over here as a protest and doing a dharna inside Safdarjung Hospital, there are other political leaders also. There are other political parties who
वाल्मीकि शक्ति अमर रहे, वाल्मीकि शक्ति अमर रहे, वाल्मीकि शक्ति अमर रहे, बहन मनीषा को न्याय दो, बहन मनीषा को न्याय दो, बहन मनीषा को।
आप लोग यहाँ पे कब तक प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे?
जब तक हमें न्याय नहीं मिलेगा तब तक हम यही रहेंगे, और अगर हमें और भी कुछ करना पड़ा तो हम अपनी जान पर खेल जाएंगे बहन मनीषा को न्याय दिलाने के लिए। हमें सबको एकजुट होकर, ये देश की बेटी थी, किसी दलित समाज की बेटी तो थी मगर ये देश की भी बेटी थी, तो सब समाज से मैं आह्वान करता हूँ कि सभी समाज को अपने घरों से निकलकर और इस बहन की आवाज़ को उठाना चाहिए और हमें इस बहन के लिए न्याय की गुहार लगानी चाहिए सरकार से।
So, you know, Poonam, there are a lot of different political parties and unions and groups who have gathered here. There are small people who have sat on a protest doing a dharna inside Safdarjung Hospital. प्रोटेस्ट पे बैठे हैं आप लोग, क्यों प्रोटेस्ट पे बैठे हैं?
मैम प्रोटेस्ट पर इसलिए बैठे हैं हम लोग कि जो व्यवस्था है, मेन लड़ाई हमारी इस व्यवस्था से है। आप देख लीजिए यूपी में दिन रात रोज बलात्कार, हत्या, अत्याचार हो रहे हैं। और बेसिकली अगर बात कर जाए यूपी में दलितों की, तो ना कोई सुनने वाला है, ना कोई रिपोर्ट लिखने वाला है। और उनकी हत्या करने के बाद आज उनकी डेड बॉडी तक नहीं दी जा रही है। क्या ये दूसरा समाज के साथ भी ऐसा ही होता?
Kangana, the anger is evident there. These are scenes from outside the Safdarjung Hospital, but similar scenes were witnessed from across the national capital. The anger is only spilling on. We've also seen opposition party leaders, several celebrities take to social media, take to Twitter and lash out at the Yogi Adityanath government, demand justice for this 19-year-old so that we do not have to come across any such brutality against any woman in this country ever again. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here on this edition, but we'll keep you updated on all that has happened in this case and more on the other side.